This is Reynolds wrap aluminum foil, and it measures 12 inches in length and it's 30 square feet. And it comes in a roll and it just makes things so much easier, from easy cooking to easy cleanup too. And what's really convenient is it comes in this box and there's also a cutter. Let me show you close up so you can see what it looks like. So this is the aluminum foil box, and it also has a handy stay closed tab. So when not in use, you can just put it in there. And when you open it up, you can pull out the aluminum foil, and then you can easily rip it off. Perfect. And after you're done, you can easily put it inside here in the stay closed tab. Now, I love aluminum foil for a variety of things, from wrapping up food, as well as lining our air fryer, and so much more. So this is perfect for lining your air fryer. And it's also very durable and strong too. Perfect. And this way, you can just easily pull off the aluminum foil and easy cleanup. This is also great for wrapping food. So you can just get that and then wrap it up in case you're missing a lid. Also works great for paper plates or styrofoam plates. Wonderful. And it's also perfect for lining baking sheets. Perfect. And this is also perfect for wrapping up leftover food. Simple as that. So whether you're wrapping leftover food or for your air fryer, as well as your baking sheets, Reynolds Wrap will have you covered. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.